Risk on for equities?
Yes, for now. Investors heard exactly what they wanted to hear. You said it. Chairman Powell said patience 8 times. So rates are going to be on hold. And in addition, they heard flexibility on the balance sheet. So they've heard everything. You know, I would just note, not all fears have disappeared. Policy fears have disappeared. I think people are still worried about what's happening in China and what's happening in Europe.
So, Kevin, as an investor, what's your level of fear around the risks and optimism around some of what's changed in January?
I'm going to call today the re-education of Jerome Powell. Because if you compare what he did today versus what he did only 8 weeks ago, this is a brand new man.
I think 6 weeks ago.
Well, been tempered. He was leaking some stuff when the market was starting to get concerned in December. He has been tempered by what happened to him in a remarkable way that I don't remember in Fed history. They beat him up, he's back, and he's soft and cuddly, warm and fuzzy. And that's exactly what we need for PE expansion, plus those Boeing earnings. I wept like a child when I saw that. That's my biggest position. They delivered for me in ways that I will remember for the rest of my life. That was a beautiful thing.
Well, I'm pleased for you, Kevin. What about the wider market? Can that continue through earnings season? And does it matter, as you say, with this potential PE expansion? Are you a buyer?
My theme is stay with the Boeings of the world, the J&Js, the P&Gs, the Pfizers, the really boring stuff, and you'll be rewarded. The thing that everybody learned today, and this is a lesson you learn every day, if you're not in the market when crazy stuff happens like today, you miss 30, 40, 50% of the returns for the whole year. This is an extraordinary day. You're 1 to 2%, pick your index. You may not get that again, who knows what happens. But I'm still conservative, but I now have a Fed that gets the joke.
Yeah, big up days on Fed days are not necessarily in the short term that bullish. A lot of time you kind of get that tension release and you give back a little bit after.